Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on this Cornell Dubilier capacitance resistance bridge. It is the model BF-60. I've already replaced the capacitor here. That was a .01. Yeah, that was a .01 microfarad capacitor at 400 volts. And now I'm in the process of replacing this .05 microfarad capacitor at 600 volts. Look at this. As soon as I cut this capacitor out of the circuit and move this leg, look at this thing. Look at it. Look at this. This thing it's already disconnected. Look at that. You saw it. You saw it. Disconnected inside of the cap. This is why when you have these vintage instruments, you must change out, replace these old caps. You can't leave these old caps in there and then try to use the instrument. You have to replace these things. And so I'm having fun. I'm enjoying that task right now. I have over here the resistors also that I'll be using to replace the resistors in this instrument. But I had, here's the cap from over here that I was looking for. There it is. This is the .01 microfarad capacitor at 400 volts. I'm gonna throw that in this little bucket here so I know where it is. And like I said, I'm in the process of replacing this. This is the replacement cap. This is a Cornell Dubilier. These orange drops are now being sold by Cornell Dubilier. All right, so that's that. That's what's going on. That's what I'm doing. This is the Hammond Doc. Having fun. I'm waiting on these parts to come in. In fact, some of them, they may have already come in. I got boxes over here. So I got to do, let's see what the doctor ordered. Because I've been waiting on these parts to come in. So that's what I'll be doing. All right. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.